Hello, welcome back. If your touch screen is not working, it freezes or is unresponsive and it not letting you do anything with your phone, so your phone, try this method. It will help you to restart your phone. It's called the soft reset or the forcefully restart. You can do with the buttons, which will help you when your phone will restart it. Probably if your phone is freezes after the restarting, it should work. So let's see how that works. So let's say if your screen is not working, so in all new phones you'll find there is a power button, and on other side you'll find there's a couple of volume up and volume down. So by simple, just press volume up once and then volume down once, and press and keep hold power button for a few seconds until you see this thing, and after this it will shut down and it will restart itself. See, it is shut down now. It's completely shut down, so it is restarting right now. You see the Apple logo? So after look at this Apple logo, which means it is booting. So let's see the touch is working. Yeah, it was working before, but that's for the demonstrating purpose I was doing that. But if your phone is freezes, you can do this method, and it will help you out. If you like that video, thumbs up, and see you in the next video.